So here we need to identify one of the vertical asymptotes of this function. So I'm going to rewrite this in terms of cosine. And I'm going to take out the 6. So it's x minus pi over 6. So I'm going to start with the 1 over cosine theta, what the function looks like. And this is going to be, so the cosine theta, if I do 0, pi over 2, pi, and pi over 2, this is going to, cosine theta goes to 0. So it's, if you draw this out, it's going to look something like that. So it's going to go up to plus infinity. Now here, it's going to be negative, so it's going to look something like that. And then again, it keeps recurring. And the vertical asymptote for secant theta is at x equal to pi over 2. Now, when we have a multiplier of 6, meaning 1 over cosine 6 theta, then this point becomes pi over 12, because when you multiply it by 6, that's going to give you cosine pi over 2. So the vertical asymptote here is at pi over 12. Now we also have this shift. This is a horizontal shift to the right, minus, because we have a minus pi over 6. So this vertical asymptote will shift to the right by pi over 6. And if you add this, this is going to become 3 pi over 12 or pi over 4, which is indeed one of the answer choices. So x equal to pi over 4 is one of the vertical asymptotes, and that's answer choice B.